You ready? Hi.
Hi.
Okay. The light is in the way. Right.
So guys, you see my picture?
Yeah. Baik, seperti semua lah. Sudah suka berfruit.
And show seaweed.
Seaweed supaya orang suka.
Seaweed.
Sunday.
It's up Sunday.
I'm talking about the chicken. That is sashimi. Arion.
So, I'm eating it. Mommy? Mila? So guys, we have a table and a toy.
What? How?
Look.
Yeah, it's a pura. Pura. Suka berfruit.
Mommy, there's still my thing.
What's that? With cake. What thing?
This thing right there.
Alright, food is a parano.
So guys, I'm eating for 500
500 what?
for a balloon for my papa.
Akabero pano. Here, sashimi agarraba. And salmon.
This phone is ringing. This phone is ringing.
Yeah.
I don't know. Guys, down below if you watch this video, and then we watch the video. And then it was so fun with Snapchat, and then I take a picture of me. Now I look funny like a cloud.
Like a what?
A cloud.
Oh, the blue one.
And then a heart for my for my hair.
Yeah.
And it's just a Snapchat on it. And then I take other pictures.
What picture?
On you.
Oh yeah. Yesterday? Copy Jesus.
You remember?
Yeah, I remember.
That's it.
Why is it?
That's it.
Kapag ay tararap ka.
You know Snapchat, guys? This is on seaweed on this seaweed. And then I have seaweed. And my grandma has seaweed too. And then we all of seaweed and all. What is my name?
Do you love seaweed? I'm sweating. What is that?
That's
Tsutsuka.
why you put it in my mouth?
Oh, sakura. Sebefi. Yeke pode aí e futuka. Okay? Futukan. Rice. Seaweed. I hate the fly. It's okay. Napapakata.
My flies is just only inside.
Okay. Wait.
You know spider toy?
Anyways, how is Jen? Tippy-tipping nga.
They said spot then
Oh,
when
boy.
it's a Spider-Man.
Sure. What? What, January?
Teacher said Spider-Man. Teacher said Spider-Man last night.
Well,
He said spot then one. He said spot then one and he called it a superhero.
well.
His name is Spider-Man. His name is Spider-Man, that's why.
Oh, akala ko puti mo mo. Hindi ito puti mo.
Who's that? Why is that kid a noise?
Hindi ito puti mo.
I don't know.
August?
August.
When?
August 15th.
August 15?
Mm-hmm.
It's almost.
Yeah, Sheila.
Yeah.
They want to say August 15th.
Kasi
I want,
that's not
look, I can like this. Mommy, I can't like this last night. Mm-hmm.
Kasi, ha?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Kasi sasabi. Wow. Sunod-sunod ka sa carrying on?
Mommy, Jordan never noticed this was me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How did you know? Kasi already. Okay, that's me. When I was a baby.
No, because I wish I have a brother. I wish I have a brother and that's why I want to have a brother.
You want to have a brother?
Mm-hmm. I want the bad sister. Because I wish he can play with me.
Oh.
Where he can...
But you have cousins.
Where
have
he can
Jen.
sleep.
You have Gianna.
Gianna and JPP.
Oh. You want a sister to live with you? Eat with you, shower with you. Yeah? Yeah?
I wish you can play with me.
Karyote. Karyote kiya po her sister. Okay? You have Jan. She's your older sister.
No, he's not.
She's not here.
No, he's not here. He's at JPP too.
Yeah. She'll come back.
No, he won't.
She
Cause
won't. She won't.
he won't. Cause that boy's room is not for girls anymore.
Her room?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Pizza sleeps in the room. But it's okay. She can always come back and sleep in her room.
No.
Meta.
Alright.
likes her own room.
Mhm.
That's true. You miss her?
Mhm.
I miss her too.
Oh, if we can take him out.
You wish we can pick her up?
Mhm.
Yeah, me too.
'Cause I miss her.
Jayan, if you're watching, Jennery misses you. Tell her. She might be watching.
Jayan, I miss you. He's not talking.
Cuidado, pobre Riri, va a cato.
Where is he?
Cuidado, por cato, va a ir. What happened? Yeah.
Guess that.
What?
Woman, chocolate.
Medicine?
Ada forong kala.
Medicine?
Melon kala. Eli.
Wait ahora.
Bakit nagkaroon sa water? Ito.
Eh?
Bakit nagkaroon sa water ito?
Very rasaria, that's cake. Yeah?
Rasa sa kupo. Yaba. Fabe. No, put it here. Put it here,
Or here.
Cause they can't read.
You a bit? Parazos.
So can I like seaweed or rice?
With rice. Kita sari seaweed with rice.
Wait, cause I'm gonna show them like a truck. This. The seaweed that's like a truck. That seaweed that's like a truck.
A truck?
Yeah, look.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, the shape?
Mhm.
Feel. Mira. So, what's that good? Entonces, tú estás así.
Is that Elsa too, Jan? Is that Elsa too, Jan?
You mean Jan is like Elsa?
No.
You mean like Anna and Elsa are sisters, and then you and Jan are sisters too?
Mhm. We have a new best friend.
Who? And who is your best friend?
The story Jay and Sam.
Jay and John?
And Jay and John and Sam and Jay Funkin like this. Why Jay Funkin like that? I give her toy.
You give him toys?
Yeah.
That's okay. He's a baby.
Why he just mean to me?
That's how babies are.
Why?
Because they don't really understand things yet. Kaya kapag iswerte ka, wewe, they will resist you and mean. Okay?
Hello.
Para kami, kepakarita. Wait, telepon, awes. Kesaparirang
Papa,
sumili.
it's a girl.
Katsuk. Katsuk shikatsu. It's okay. He's your baby brother.
Now it's like a door guy.
A what? A what?
It's like a door.
A door. If I that door without Zuko.
Door can go to the living room or the kitchen or the living room.
If I that door, not Zuko. Kaya pagura. If I that.
Close the door.
If I close the door, not Zuko.
If somebody not close the door, after bug can come in.
The bugs? Okay, so what is close the door in Chucky's?
Cookies
Yeah.
can. Hey! Not close the door!
Nago faço Zuko. Close.
Because I'm gonna be cold to you.
Mm.
No, please.
Me too. I have to. Shamoga.
Smell it.
Mm.
You know this?
Mm.
Mommy, can you show my thing?
What thing?
My bracelet.
Your watch. Subako mo.
Guys, you know me? You know me? Who's that?
That's the
Huh?
my sister in Chuk. Amak.
Steph?
Yeah.
I don't see her.
That's Mama Gino's daughter.
Malakino's daughter, Steph?
You remember her, Mama Gino?
Mommy, what?
Gusto pa ita. Good. Te quiero a la chiquita.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.